I chose Castle Energy because I researched other companies that would actually put our solar array on the ground, because we didn't want to have anything on the roofs. And Castle Energy is one of the only companies that would do it. And I have to say we're very happy with JR and their crew. The installation process went smooth. The crew came out the first day. They put the frame together. They welded it all together, put the pilings in. They were very polite, respectful, did a clean job. And then the next crew came in. They put the panels down. They trenched all the way to the house, laid the pipe. Everything was nice and clean. They backfilled and everything came out perfect. Yes, I would recommend Castle Energy. The whole crew is very professional, clean. The customer service, ever need anything, I call. JR is very helpful. The women in the office get right back to me. It's very easy to go online and see my data that the panels collect. Shows me my credits, what I'm getting, how much energy I've collected, and what I've put back to the grid. So it's a very efficient system, and we're very happy with it.